Machine model 632LM. Width 1,626 mm. Length 2,032 mm. Height 1,905 mm. Chuck size 135 mm. Spindle speed 4,500 RPM. Bar capacity 32 mm. Swing over bed 470 mm. Maximum cutting diameter 135 mm. Maximum cutting length 160 mm. X-axis travel 580 mm. Z-axis travel 190 mm. Coolant tank and coolant pump. Controller HR808. Handwheel and USB port. RealTech's HR808 controller advantages. 3-time fast controller. Large storage capacity, 256 megabyte. 2-way ball screw. Chip breaking function. Spindle speed variation. 3-axis load display. Hand wheel tri-cut. Power pack. Panel AC. Electric panel. Lubrication tank. Foot switch.